Hi, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Bay, your teacher in fourth grade this year. Have you ever heard of Kahoot? If so, you know how fun it can be. If not, just wait, you'll love it. Pay attention to the details in this video because during the first week of school, you'll participate in our first Kahoot. All about Mrs. Bay. On April 22nd, I was born Amy Elizabeth Stauffer in a Philadelphia suburb in Pennsylvania. I love the Phillies, the Eagles, and the color blue. I moved to Virginia in the year 2000, which is when I started teaching in Fairfax County. My favorite subject to teach is math. My oldest daughter, Adonia Credence, will be at Willow Springs in kindergarten this year. My youngest daughter, Thalia Sabbath, is about 16 months old. I also live with my husband Marcus and our cat Butterfly and our dog Kalua. This summer we spent time hanging out at the pool, the beach, and just doing stuff around the house. I wish I could have gone back to Greece, which is my very favorite place to vacation. Although I'm sad that my favorite season is ending soon, I'm excited to meet all of you and start a new school year. Play this video a few times so you know the answers to some of the Kahoot questions. See you soon!